Hey guys, so what I have here is the 2.5 gallon SprayMate backpack sprayer. I have to assemble it, which I forgot about when I ordered it, and that means I have to put these straps on. Now I remember the first time I did this, I was clueless and I couldn't figure out the straps, and I might be clueless again, but what I figure is that if I struggle with putting the straps on, someone out there may also be struggling with putting these straps on. So I'm gonna make a video of putting the straps on, so bear with me. Well, that was a lot easier than I remember from the first time that I did it. But I do have a little secret I want to share with you. What I did was basically mimic the setup of my FlowZone Storm. So this time I had a visual to use in order to get it right, which was extremely helpful. The first time, for some reason, I didn't have a manual, I didn't have anything, and it was very difficult to get this on. Since I have them here, what I also want to show you is how similar these two sprayers are. Now, this one is the SprayMate and this one is the FlowZone. SprayMate is a sister company of FlowZone. The quality of the SprayMate sprayer is great. I have gotten a second one so that I can put my herbicides in one to spray out and my fertilizers in the other one to spray out. I want to keep those two separate. And this one is so much more cost effective. Now you'll notice that FlowZone has a little bit of extra padding, but I'm telling you, the straps are basically the same. And these straps are really comfortable, and your back will be up against this, which this is also not bad. Another thing is the battery compartments are basically the same, and they both use this battery. So that's a plus, that I can change these batteries or this battery between both of these sprayers. You do get slightly better quality in the FlowZone hose. You'll see this is the one from the FlowZone. But this is not bad at all. The biggest quality difference I can see between these two would be the wand. This is a plastic wand that comes with the SprayMate, which I'm pretty sure I'm able to change this out to a metal wand like we have here on the FlowZone. Also, there's a better handle. This is your handle for the SprayMate. I haven't put it on yet, but there you are. In my opinion, both of these backpack sprayers are really good options. If you're on a budget, you won't be missing out by getting this SprayMate. If you have a little bit of extra to spend, then I would go with this simply for the wand and just slightly better quality. But again, I would take either one of these backpack sprayers. So if you were looking for information on how to install that strap, I hope this video helped you out. And if you're looking for a decent backpack sprayer, then this video should definitely help you out, because these are two of the best in my opinion.